Good morning, guys. It's Brandon. I just want to make a quick morning update video on my view in the markets and what is taking place here. So basically, yesterday, the Fed reported a very neutral stance, leaving interest rates unchanged. It was kind of the obvious reaction. We're all anticipating a hike in interest rates in the spring of this year. At this moment in time, the market yesterday the market sold off significantly. We got our first volatility sell signal here on the volatility band. The key word here, guys, is range bound. Range bound between 198 and 206. And so the truth of the matter is, it's a trading range. Both calls and puts are going to be possible opportunities in terms of the option game. The reason I'm making this video is because I wanted to revisit the weekly and the monthly frames on the chart. The weekly frame is testing its volatility band. This is usually where it would resolve and bounce. The only issue is that we have a lot of weakness in the technical indications below. So, we're going to see how it plays out. This week is somewhat significant in terms of the economic calendar, the consumer sentiment, consumer comfort, as well as tomorrow's GDP read. That could change. It could change the outlook here. The monthly frame is important to take a look at. Again, we have this oscillator cross down, which is clearly reappearing, and also this purple line. This is your stochastics RSI that is trading below its halfway mark on the chart, which is starting to build the bearish case. Another thing that you guys should take a look at, if I zoom in here, you could see the 3 and the 5 month EMAs are pressing together, and that should resolve shortly, whether we get the move higher, which is kind of the anticipated move, or we see some more carnage across the board and we start to see lower prices. We're at a pivotal time in the market. I do believe that there's several factors to consider. The oil, if oil could somehow find a bottom, we may see some upward momentum in the markets, similar to what happened in 2008 and the initiation of 2009 when there was an oil crisis. So that's yet to be determined. The chart looks weak, unfortunately. That's the case. At the moment, I have a neutral view on the market. I think that it's very possible we do get the bounce. Again, range bound activity. So if it churns in this realm for quite a while, wouldn't surprise me. I'm not going to get overly bullish or overly bearish, until we can break out of the range. If we do perhaps break out of the range today and we retest the lows, maybe potentially this purple line, 200 period exponential moving average is at 196.75. I highly doubt it's going to happen today, but it could happen this week. Or we could revisit 205 or 206. There's a lot of question marks here, but I will just add again that the charts do look weak. So, just some things that are in my mind, in terms of what I'm observing. This scenario will resolve here shortly. Do we see the weekly chart as the one to watch? Are we going to see that move up that the probability says we will, but the indications on the chart are kind of saying otherwise? I'm going to let the price action kind of lead us in the direction, but one is going to catch up to the other. The price action is going to catch up with these indicators and it's going to start to fall, or these indicators are going to catch up with the price action, and this potentially could be a great buying opportunity. I don't know. Not sure. But if I were to make a prediction and a forecast, I'd say that we probably will see another leg up, and then perhaps a blow-off phase in the market before a potential massive correction in the spring or the summer of this year, somewhere in the realm of when interest rates are likely to get increased. So just a couple of viewpoints. We'll see how it plays out. I'm not going to form a bias. I'm just going to basically assume that we could play both sides of the market in a trading range. That's why it's a trading range. Keep the sizing small. Respect your stop losses. That's the most important. And basically trade safe. We're not trending. Once we start trending, that's when you could start allocating more. But this is the case for now. So anyway, guys, good luck today. I hope everyone has an excellent trading day. Take care.